found with a broken beak after a vicious dog attack. This goose couldn't eat and started to starve. These kind people took it in and created a prosthetic beak. And this beautiful kitten cried for help until it was heard by some nearby people. Rescued from certain death, it was given another chance. This wild monkey approached this human without a hint of fear. It seems that he was thirsty and was trying to reach for his water bottle.
Hello.
Yet another thirsty animal. This monkey enjoyed a cool drink from this man after it was suffering in the scorching heat. His friend didn't want to miss out either and soon came for his own share. A local diver was diving in Florida when he encountered a lemon shark. It kept coming back and nudging him, as if something was wrong. The diver examined the shark and found a large rusty fishing hook stuck in its belly. It took a couple of attempts, but the diver managed to remove it, giving the animal a new lease on life. But not only does water provide life, it also provides danger to land-dwelling animals. This small blob approaching the boat is a squirrel. It's trying to hide from its primary predators, birds of prey. Watch how it desperately tries to get into the boat where it can seek protection from these people. This pufferfish had swallowed a fishing hook, and the fishing weight was making it difficult to swim. The diver tries and fails to pull out the hook, so he instead unties the line and sets the fish free. This little dog isn't sure whether to trust anyone. But in the end, she has no other choice. She leads them to her starving pups, and these caring people save the puppies and give them a clean new home. Although it is so close to the house, this is not a pet. It is, in fact, a wild koala. But it is extremely friendly and often visits these people. It even has its own water bowl. When they are thirsty, animals break through all barriers and ask people for help. Even this venomous snake approaches this kind human. And this fox is niftily trying to get to the fish caught by these men. Incredibly, it doesn't run when one of the men approaches and even takes the fish right from his hand. This dog had gone almost a week without any food and was hiding behind these big bins. When people were finally able to get close to the dog, they noticed it was covered in hundreds of little bugs and its chain was broken. It seems that the dog had run from its previous owners out of desperation. After this kitten lost its mother and almost died from starvation, these people noticed it after it was eating grass around their property. After the kitten grew up, it turned out that it was actually a protected species of wildcat. It never fails to say thanks by licking the fingers of its rescuers. This is Cheeto, a fisherman made famous by the crocodile he saved named Pocho after it was dying from a bullet wound. The crocodile was initially only 150 pounds, but over the years Cheeto fed him succulent meals of meat. He grew over to 1,000 pounds. After living with the man for over 20 years, Pocho learned many tricks. These heroes assembled a sophisticated safety system to save these dogs from drowning in this frozen river.
Oh my God!
And this sea turtle almost succumbed to a tiger shark when it spotted this well-placed fishing boat. It gingerly tried to clamber aboard, but did not succeed. Thankfully, these fishermen swooped in at just the right time to save it from almost certain death. Four orcas got stuck between massive pieces of ice in the far east of Russia. These volunteers and divers worked many hours to push the giant pieces of ice away from the animals and set them free. The team had to take a small boat from the shore, but in the end, they managed to free all four of them, including one calf.